Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you an alternative way to lock your Facebook channel. Now, locking your Facebook channel is not available to every country, and using a VPN won't solve this issue. Locking your Facebook channel or viewing a locked Facebook channel is independent on the connection of your data or data connection. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to lock your Facebook page or your Facebook profile. So from Facebook, this is how others will see my profile. You can see there are so many posts over here. So this is how others will see my profile. So without wasting my time, I'll take you through the procedures where you can know how to lock your Facebook profile. So you move to settings and privacy. After clicking the settings and privacy, you move to settings. Let me repeat this again. From the settings and privacy tab, you click on settings, you scroll up, and then you click on posts. So from here you can see limit who can see past posts and also who can see your future post. So you change this from public to friends, or you can change it to only you, and limit who can see past posts. You click on view and you click on limit past post. You tap here as well. So from here, all the posts on your profile becomes invisible. Let's check it again. So you can see there is no post available on this profile. So this is an alternative way to lock your profile or to hide everything on your profile. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If it doesn't, or if you have any suggestion, kindly leave that in the comment section. Let me see how I can help you with another video. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you up in my next upload.